Yeah, go ahead, pull it through. Thanks, bud.
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out. Where's the catnip? Walked in 30,000 in my pocket, had them niggas just like, ooh.
What the hell, dude?
And Chewy on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
Can I help you? My God.
Spike loves his new hat.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Have I ever told you how beautiful you are?
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are...
It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.